So this is the project I'm currently working on. It's called Griffin SOC. So it's basically a phishing detection platform that uses AI to actually classify, emails that are received in your inbox as either malicious slash phishing or clean. So what we'll do, let's actually run the simulation. We're going to run the API first, then we'll run the dashboard using npm run dev. So the model actually takes time to load into the system memory. So it's loading right now. So this is all done locally to encourage data privacy, right? So this is the actual email address that is being monitored. So that's my secondary email address. And I have actually run this simulation already. And when the AI detects the malicious email, it quarantines it in a spam folder or in the spam folder of your email account. So since I've already done that, I won't be sending the email to myself again. So instead, I'm just going to move this out of the spam folder. So we are going to classify it as not spam. So we are going to do this for the two emails that are currently in the spam folder, right? So now let's actually go to the dashboard and see if it catches those malicious emails. You can see that it has caught one of them. It says extracted indicators. So these are the URLs we found in the email actually. Now the next one, because this is unread, right? That's why it caught this one. So it's checks unread emails. So it does not keep checking the same set of emails over and over again. So now we are going to mark this other one as unread. So it checks read emails rather, sorry. So we are going to mark this email from the cyber vendetta as unread, right? So it should catch it now. So that particular email has an attachment, and right, that's it. So this is the second email. You can see that it's appeared immediately on the dashboard, and it's actually the code actually calculates the hash. It gets the hash of the whatever attachment is placed in the email. It gets the hash and it checks the virus total database using the virus total API. Then the fact that it's not showing any you know red flags here is because this particular hash does not exist in the virus total database, right? But it still classified it as malicious because of the you know conversation context of the email, right? So that's the part that the AI deals with. While the checking of the hash and all that is actually done with, code. So because this email contains no URL, so that's why this place is empty. But a um, it contains an attachment. So we get the hash of the attachment, and everything appears in our dashboard, right? So we can export the report as a CSV, can clear the history. So this is basically the project. I see it's working perfectly. We are getting alerts immediately, and it's actually quarantined it. If you notice, those emails are no longer in the inbox; they've been moved to the spam folder by the code, right? So this is done using the IMAP module. So if you go to FishGuard, so yeah, it uses the IMAP library to actually do all of this to interact um, with the inbox or with your email account remotely using the Gmail app password, right? So this can be scaled into an enterprise level, although the implementation will be different. So I've written a report on this